actually do that? Bomba! Matt. Boy, Alkaline and a year girl. Or a man named Matt. Or a man named Matt. Or a mate. Or a man named Matt though. You see me I say she have a man named tattoo on her body. So why? But I never know say actually take off it. I saw that video I did bad dog. Bucklet. Run through.
Then after we converse and come in near me a pervert.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs and I'm back with another reaction video for you all. Now, I know it's quarantine time, y'all owe me all bored. I keep saying it in every video I post recently. Because I know y'all are home bored doing nothing. You understand me? So what? Your artist Alkaline, your favorite artist, right? For the Alkaline fans, them, the Veneta fans, them. You know what I mean? The man no post regular. So guess what? Now go to some video for watch regular from your artist. So right now we have Alkaline, we're gonna react to the most viewed music video. Fleek. Girl, there's something, you see me? And Alkaline fans, in the comment which Alkaline music we don't want to react to. For no go and watch in them times or in them lonely times or just they woman and nothing for. So just like the video. If you don't like that, if the video get 50 likes, we drop another one. So just like the video. Like a rain off of the screen right now. Like the video. And then subscribe to the channel. I cherish 5,000 subscribers before March done. 10,000 by the end of the year. You understand me? So just deal with the thing the right way. Anyways, let's go. Alkaline, Fleek, official music video reaction, people. You understand me? Let's see what I go on, man. I don't remember what the video I go on. Alkaline. Woo! First off the bat.
Something, oh, Fleek.
I saw Alkaline look that, yo. All of Mr. Alkaline image, that image, that well, Mr. Image, I know. But anyway, I say, what did I talk about a while ago? The girl, is the man a spank her body and just a flux like a mango dog. Psh. No, don't compare no girl body to mango. Why? Wrong bang. But the man a spank her brother and sees a jump. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Who said one song go jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Alright, anyway, you're in tune.
Girl, you're something, girl, you're something.
Oh, Fleek.
Wow.
Ooh, girl, you're something, girl, you're something.
If something not gonna pass me, sir. If you don't know me from there, you know, so the girls them there for another dog. Well, and they must want to see her, know, so the girls them there for already, you know. Once the girl them go on bad, and me that, you know. You do me I say, I see that girl there go up on the road. She find a pole up on the road, and you know the pole is probably dirty, dog, and she up her sexy fat, sexy punani on the pole, go up and down, brother, and the pole probably dirty, have germs on it. John knows, I go through the more and see when she go on a bag of chips.
Oh, Fleek.
Alright, hold on. See me, huh? Find it now, you know. We find it. We find it, formula. Alright, ready. Let me see what she do with. Yeah. They can't sit in the wall or something, rub up on the pole, the little pole out the door full of germs. But I like to know them like them use them sanitize the pole. Imagine if I do that something there right now, brother. Like now when quarantine I go on, brother, or now when the coronavirus I go on. You think she would have done that scene, yeah? No. But as me I said, she's a rub up wall of the punash on the pole, dog. And you know say, you know, on the street this down, it's like up a US. Anyways, you know, say up on the street this in the dog. You see me I say? So you know, say random people like us, some man lazy and just go up on the street kind of lean up on all the pole. And lean up on him head on the pole. You must say that did go on in the dog. Run through. Oh, she still like go on her antics. She bad. Me not lying, she bad. But when I watch a slow motion video, I watch the video. Run through.
Ooh, girl.
Yeah.
Me love your everything. Me love your everything. Love your raise everything.
Hey, me say when Alkaline that that image, man. The girl them that go on crazy female and that. And then you go to boom and go get maga. Like he go get maga and start wear some African fit. I remember them days, dog. I remember them days, man say maga and start with some African fit, dog. From that, him still have fans them doing, him still have girl fans them seeing me, you know. Then we see the ear gone, him see the man get lax. I said, bombo now, the man go change up everything now.
Me love your everything. Your smile is everything. And you're full of style to the brim. Yeah, me love you every time. Me love you.
That girl is too bad. I love her too Alkaline. I go back and look on her a little more. Cause she bad. She bad. People, if a girl is bad, like a video.
Your smile is everything. And
she must have a little black in her. I can't have a straight full blown whitey this dog. I can't share food on white that. She must have something with black, some black mix, some black must mix in her somewhere, dog. Me don't know. But I don't want Blackie this. I'm wondering why I call girl Blackie. Why a mango name Blackie, dog? Why me I call a girl Blackie? Run tune.
The remote can change my mind. You me love you every time.
Every time.
Me no know I want to red label. I just you me want
Take a panty first. What? Right place, me pause it. I want that name on over there, sir. I want that. That's not me and I'm on, dog. No, sir, old music with the people. I know reason why we pass things already because we react to it, you know. You understand me? So you can't really get mad at me. Did me say, you know, I get copyright, I will try to get XYZ. So I don't know what he said. But what is over here saying I'm on, dog? What that? Me no know. Run tune though. Well, he did actually do that? Bomba! Matt. Boy, Alkaline and a year girl. Our man named Matt. Our man named Matt. Or a mate. Our man named Matt though. You see me, I say she have a man named tattoo on her body. So why? But me never say I should take off it. I saw that video I did bad, dog. Buckle it. Run tune.
Then after we converse, I'll come in near me a pervert. When you make your body twerk.
Never hear. I'll come in near me a pervert. But the man, all of the things them say, yo, I'll come in near me a pervert. But things them say, man a pervert, you know. Man say, I'll come in near me a pervert, so I'm going to take off that first. But the girl have a man named tattoo on her body, Alkaline, dog. And then she have one art, like she try to say, kiss ear. You know, when some girl that put a tattoo on them bottom, and I say, yo, not necessarily tattoo on them bottom, but or a pint down and say, yo, smart this or that or that or that. This guy have a art, have a kiss art or whatever, a kiss tattoo on her body. Ja. The left one too. No, sir.
And I tears my for backs. Me no carry girl feelings, but if you not give me hurt, you couldn't deal with
every man ever. We don't carry girl feelings, you know. I lie, them I tell you. Why them blood clot carry girl feelings? Why them man catch feelings simple and easy? Them man at least they go think a girl don't catch feelings. If me catch feelings, you know, me jealous body, you know. If me and a girl apart, me see she run go up on boy. Me walk left for a bumbo clock, man. I'm tell you. Me a par with you come you go run go talk to one next to you and me and you a par. You mad man? You mad man? You most mad. We could go through with a little bit.
Love you everything. You give me raise if you sing. Me love you everything. Your smile is everything. I don't pull up and stand to
Maybe they miss something. Hold on there. People, if you don't want to watch your food, they don't know things that they just there for react to it, and man. And I mean, and it been out a minute, so they can't go mess it on themselves.
I just give me one wine. Vendetta girl.
Ooh, girl, you're something. Girl, you're something.
I want to think about that video, people. Remember knowing that the comment section, I want to think about the Fleek video. I see that the 61 million views, you know, that people still watch it till this date, you know. Other than me right now, you know. You see me? If y'all didn't know, this is called Pausisha. Don't know things said. Run tune though. Ooh, girl, you
something, girl, you're something.
Neighboring, go like those. Umbo na the black eye Alkaline. You know somebody seen post, what song the name when post recently? Ocean Wave, dog. Song that big song, you know. But anyway, I say, when I see him post the cover art, when I see him post it, dog, I'm up on the cover art, me and I say, I wonder if he put him back the contacts them. Tattoo back him eyeballs them. Cause that made that praying that I wonder what go on. But the song hard, man. Like, if you don't read Ocean Wave, let me know down below in the comment section. Osh move, go through it a little bit more.
I keep your body on Fleek. Admission and no free, you know me. High so me spend the money. Every time want the base. And when you wine, me feel it.
So far we see two girls in the video so far. No bad. But me now like that girl that bad. And she used to say, yo, me used to watch, this girl used to talk to Jamaican that. I remember I wish music with them that watch, and I wonder for she, because she have the same body. You know, yo, you're man and man talk right now. Like, you ever talk to some girl before that, and you wonder, say, yo, wonder if that girl that too sexy for me, and she look too pretty for me. Me used to do them something like that, dog. I mean, look at myself good nowadays, and I say, me a killer, me a top shotter, I'm fresh. Me see why I get girl already. You see me not ugly. You see me? Me a cha-cha boy. Just look for yourself, dog. You have to big up yourself sometime, brother. Because you know, so when I look on some girl, me not like, me still have a girl, dog. For one, she thick and she's sexy and full of shape, dog. So me I say, oh, me I don't forget that girl, dog. You did me I say. But me never get for knock it anyways. Sadly, never hook it. Never. Only thing we get for do feel pum pum dog and them something. I'm never knock it, dog. But you know what I mean? You look on some relationship we talk to dog. I said, no man, that girl too hot for me. I want me to do. She must have cheat on me. And some things go through your head sometime in the dog. But anyways, run through.
Man, I drink, but I don't meet.
Man, kick it body.
Fleek.
Me love your everything. Me love your everything.
I wonder if Alkaline is really not that girl after that video. Though. Me hear say me do it, you know. I lie me I tell. Go through the last part of the video. What's one that I always ask myself, like, how the man them contain themselves with them in the music with some sexy girl, like, how them contain themselves, like, how them allow themselves not to get stiffy on them girl. And maybe them do it in there, but them don't show it. How them allow all them something like that, but them don't do it, dog. Don't you know?
Change my mind, you me love you every time. Me no know what to real deal. I just see me one wife.
Bang. People big up on yourself. You see me I say it's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. If you know want more reactions or more Alkaline reactions, Alka fans, them just run out in the comment section and run out on the like button. You see me I say me get 50 likes. 50 likes, you know? I know only person that. A little bit of likes that. 50 likes, I'm drop another one. Anyone in the one that have the most comments in the comment section, you see me I say, me run it. When me know what I want, a quarantine time, I have to post video phone regularly, 2-3 times a day. You see me I say, big up on yourself. It's been a boy Tyrekejt. Subscribe to the channel. Up move.